Shengxing Machinery and Technology Limited is a leading manufacturer of food machinery located in Zhucheng, Shandong, China. We specialize in producing a wide range of food processing equipment. With deep roots in food machinery manufacturing industry, we take sophisticated craftsmanship and innovative technology as our core strengths. From automated production lines to customized single machines, covering meat products, fruit and vegetable processing, aquatic products, and more, we offer comprehensive solutions. Our stringent quality inspection system ensures that our equipment is stable, efficient, and compliant with international standards. From progress design and equipment manufacturing to installation and training, we provide end-to-end customized services. Shengxing Machinery milling produces meat curing equipment, meat cutting machines, sausage processing machines, vacuum packaging machines, vegetable processing machines, and so on. Our products are exported to dozens of countries worldwide, including Southeast Asia, Central Asia, Africa, Europe, and North America. They are highly praised for their superior quality, performance, and perfect after-sales service, earning the trust of overseas customers. Shengxing Machinery, with professional manufacturing, serves the global food industry. Choose us to jointly build a more efficient future for food production.